Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? Tim over here at R1Works, and today I'm going to show you how to update our Digital 3 ESC with our new R1Works beta app. So the app is actually not available in the App Store, but I will put a link in the description below so that you will be able to download it. It's free and available to everyone. So first off, we're going to go ahead and turn on our ESC, make sure your Wi-Fi module is connected. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and go into our Wi-Fi settings on our phone. See the R1Works app pop up. Go ahead and connect to that. And then from there, after you download the new beta app, you're going to come to a screen like this and you're going to see the R1Works. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. From there, I'm going to wait for it to connect, and it has connected. So from there, go ahead and hit the update on the side, and then you're going to see ESC update. We're going to hit install. So not only can you download the new firmware, but if you also want to download older firmware, if you just have a personal preference to it, you don't like the new one, completely up to you, it's going to be on here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that one, install firmware, checking product and version. So we're going to wait for it for a minute while it updates. Alright, and there you go. Pretty fast, pretty simple, pretty easy. Once the update is complete, it will let you know on the screen. Go ahead and click OK. App's going to kind of reset. Go ahead and click on that, and you're right back to where you were. Be able to go settings. Everything is still the same. Everything is exactly how you know it and love it. But like I said, if you want to go back and switch back to an older version, all you have to do is go back and update, hit install, and you have all the options of the firmware to update on the Digital 3 ESC. I hope this was a big help for you guys, and have fun out on the track.